When you come in the driveway and you look at the house, it's basically a big L shape. One of the forms cantilevers out. You get a bit of a wow moment. And then you open up the door of the entry, you get another wow moment because you've got this big 2-story high void space, which is the entry. It catches the light at certain times of day, so we can get the light into the interior of the house. We've used some timber cantilevered stairs to give that space a little bit of warmth, even though it's a very minimalist space.
The brief from the client was reasonably simple. They didn't place too many demands on us. They were very specific in terms of the palette that we were able to use, insofar as we were able to use any colour we liked as long as it was black, white or grey. It's not necessarily an aesthetic that resonates with everybody, but it's a palette that I think is very effective in this style of architecture. There's lots of natural light throughout the home, which means you can carry off those stronger colours, those stronger tones, without it being dark and overwhelming.
We've used a lot of glass. This space we're sitting in is virtually a pavilion. It's glass on 2 sides, 3.2 metres high. These huge doors open the push of a button electronically. One of the reasons for that is because the doors are too heavy to push. The exterior of the house is very simple and very clean. We're using a rock coat plaster system and some Timaru bluestone, and that's it. We wanted it to be really elegant, very dramatic, but very simple.
Loom Design was engaged to do the entire interior, which included virtually everything you see internally. The kitchens, bathrooms, all architectural joinery and cabinetry. We've chosen and selected the flooring, the window treatments, the wall coverings, wall finishes, and quite a substantial amount of the furniture. What I've really enjoyed about this project is the freedom that the clients gave us to do whatever we wanted within the bounds of their brief. They trusted us and let us do our thing, and the result is a home that we're very proud of and they love living in.
Architecture for us is creating great spaces, and we like all of our houses to be special in a way, but we like our houses to be elegant, dramatic, sophisticated and beautiful.